everyone, I'm Sanjaya. I'm very much glad to welcome you all on behalf of Quantum Hunts. So, before getting started, I would like to say a few words about Quantum Hunts. Quantum Hunts is the world's first millennial video based recruitment platform to connect candidates and employers. So, our job platform has unique feature which is video resume feature and video job alerts from recruiters for candidates. And our mission is to make every individual pursue their dream career and create candidate friendly interview experience through our recruitment product. So today we are going to connect with Quantum's consultant to know about their internship experience. So before getting started, I just want everyone to introduce about yourself. So okay, let's get started with Tenmuri.
So, hi everyone, I'm Tenmuri. I started working with Quantum Ones as marketing consultant, and currently I'm as a lead HR consultant in Quantum Ones.
Okay, that's great. Then let's move on to Drishti.
So, hello everyone, I'm Drishti Jain and I stay in Mumbai. I started this internship in January and now I am a HR consultant intern in Quantum Ones and I'm getting a very good experience about this internship.
That's good to hear, Drishti. Now let's move on to Dikshita.
Okay, hello everyone. This is Dikshita, working as a HR consultant in Quantum Hands. I have been part of Quantum Hands from 7 months and I have got a very good experience in end-to-end recruitment cycle and client handling, and I have also conducted many employee engagement sessions over there. So I'm very glad to be part of Quantum Hands.
That's good. So then we can move on to Dhanam.
Hi, I'm Dhanam. I'm currently an HR consultant in Quantum Hands. I have got a good experience here. I'm here from February. And
Okay, that's nice. So, okay, now we can start our questions. So the first question is, how do you got to know about Quantum Hunt's internship? So who is ready to answer first? Tenmuri?
Yeah. So I came to know about Quantum One's internship through my classmate Ilakya. She was already interning here as marketing consultant. So that is how I came into Quantum Ones.
Okay, that's nice. And Drishti?
So, I got connected with Gayatri, one of the HR consultant in Quantum Ones. I connected with her on LinkedIn and I started this internship in January. So, that's how I came to know about this internship and this startup company.
Okay. So what about Dikshita?
Okay, so I was being referred by Richa. She is HR consultant in Quantum Hands, and I was very much impressed about the video resume and explored the portal thereafter.
Okay, that's good. The next question is, what is the most exciting thing that you have learned in Quantum Hunt's internship?
So the exciting thing that I learned here in Quantum Ones is I was able to analyze myself. So I was able to do my SWOT analysis for myself. So that is the most exciting thing that I've learned.
Okay, that's great.
Now I'm able to analyze what I'm capable of. And
So what about Drishti?
So, for me, it was something new. Like, I had never done a lot of things in any of the previous internships that I've done. So, the most exciting and very good experience that I got was related to interviews and learning each and every process practically. So, that was something new for me.
Okay, good. And what about Dikshita?
Yeah, that was same with me, Drishti. I have also done many other internships like 4 or 5 in many other organizations. But in Quantum Hands, it's not about 1 or 2 things. I was totally groomed and I have gained corporate knowledge which I was not aware of before. I think gaining corporate knowledge as an intern is very exciting thing for me.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so the next question is, how did you upskill yourself during your tenure at Quantum Hunts? Now, so Tenmuri?
Yeah, Sanjaya. So I upskill like from starting to end. I've understood every concepts in depth. Because like I didn't have any practical knowledge or any internship experience into HR field. So from Quantumans, I have gained all the in-depth and minute details, and also that was the biggest learning for me.
So even I learned everything practical in Quantumans only. So what about Drishti?
Okay, so I was not very good at presentation skills. So I used to like, I used to just skip in between sometimes, or I was just, unable to speak properly. But over here, like, ma'am, of course, guided, and she gave me the feedback that you need to be confident enough. You just repeat whatever is there in the presentation, what you have prepared, just keep reading those things, and you will be very confident that time. So that actually upskilled my presentation skills a lot.
Yes, it's really a true one. So what about Deekshita?
Yeah, I think we got a very good opportunity to work under CEO. We wouldn't get in any other organization. So this gave me in-depth knowledge in HR domain to work under CEO, and I grabbed every single thing what ma'am used to teach me, and I was learning from co-interns also. So, and I can also say that I became an extrovert after getting into Quantum Hands.
So each and every word is true.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can move on to the next question. So the next question is like, what kind of support did you receive from Quantum Hunts?
We have got a huge support from Quantumans, because like in the previous internships and all, I was not having that opportunity to directly approach to any CEO. So here, like if we have any doubts or any clarifications to be done, we can directly approach her, and ma'am is so sweet. The way she mentors us has developed a lot.
True.
Yeah.
Okay, so Drishti, from your side.
Yeah, so like in the beginning, like I was given a training kit which I referred, and I've gone through that training kit. And of course, Gayatri, she mentored me in the beginning. And at times, whenever I was like having any doubts, or if she was not available, I was able to connect with other colleagues and also with Aparna ma'am to get the clarification done. So it was really good, and I really enjoy working here.
So even I know how much doubts you asked, previously you have joined.
Yeah, like HR is not only about recruitment and all. It's about everything like conducting employee engagements and all. What I feel is. So I think my video resume makes me unique, in which I was able to get shortlisted for 1 or 2 rounds, even though the job was for experienced. So the applicants for the same job will be around 1,000 or 100. But my video resume made me unique. So QH also referred me to the client requirements.
Okay, that's great.
I can say Quantum Hands gave me the way to my career.
That's good to hear. So, okay, so fine. Now we can move on to the next question. Describe Quantum Hands work culture in 3 words.
Okay, so from my side, it can be interactive, innovative, and focused.
So like it is flexible, collaborative, and totally friendly.
Yeah, I can say it's nimble. That is agile and adaptable. That's what we do, right? We rethink strategies for time to time. And it's also inclusive and it's motivating.
Nice. Okay, so you people are answering very good. So we can move on to the next question. So what's your favorite memory of working in Quantum Hands? So Drishti, are you ready to answer first, or?
Let's ask Dikshita about this.
Okay.
Okay, so Dikshita.
Like I feel the favorite thing is I'm the first one who conducted corporate quiz. I feel so happy for it. Like being first for starting anything in the company would be very proud moment. So I feel that is the best thing and my favorite
Great.
thing too.
Yeah, that's great. Even I felt like while started working to that virtual mentorship program, even I felt great and good. And Tenmoli?
So yeah, my favorite moment is like the organizing the entire anniversary celebration of Quantum Months. So like it was the biggest milestone for Quantum Months, and I was very happy that I took the initiative to how to celebrate it and carry forward it. So like that was the most favorite memorable moment for me.
Of course, that is the most memorable day. And now, Drishti.
So I had a very good experience related to hosting the all hands meet, in which all the departments get together and we discuss about our goals and whatever celebrations that we are going to do in the coming year, and also, of course, hosting the corporate quiz with the candidates, and it is actually very much interactive, and you can get very casual, and it's very much exciting to do something like this. So yeah.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so now we can move on to the next question. So the next question is, what was your overall internship experience? So now, Tenmoli, over to you.
Okay. So my overall internship experience was very informative, and it was throughout the internship process it was fulfilled with learning. So like I can't say like this is best or that is best, because in whatever we do, like I learn a lot from this internship. So definitely it is a full packed learning experience for me.
So what about Drishti?
I totally agree with Mohi. And also, like while learning, we are implementing those things. And also, like you have to be like very professional whenever you are having a talk with any client, and like you get a lot of improvement in these things. We get so much of guidance, like ma'am gave us. So this is like a very good thing from a startup of HR tech. So this is like amazing thing.
Great. So now what about Dikshita?
Yeah, I think experience for interns in Quantum Hands will be same, because none of them goes out of the Quantum Hands without learning anything. So my internship experience was also very challenging, motivating, and also progressive. Like at the beginning, it was very challenging because I was unaware of many things, and after that, it was motivating because I came to know many more things, and now it's progressive. I have learned many things. Yeah.
I agree with you.
Yeah, even I too agree with her. But like everyone's point. So now we are coming to the last question. That is, will you recommend Quantum Hands to your friends or colleagues? Drishti?
Yes,
Yeah,
definitely.
Would
Okay.
love to actually.
Sorry.
Yeah, definitely.
Tenmoli, did you said something?
Yeah, like we would love to actually. And I'm doing it already.
Even me.
Even me,
Okay,
because it's giving opportunities to many others.
yeah, okay. Even I'm doing till now. Okay, so that's great. So we came to the end of our session. So thank you very much for participating. And finally, yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjaya.